Welcome to Health Haven. If you're on a quest to enhance your stature and command the room with your presence, you're in the right place. Can you actually grow taller by eating? Absolutely. While genetics play a major role in determining height, nutrition is the powerhouse that supports your body's potential to grow. Today, we're diving into the 5 incredible foods that can not only boost your height but also support your overall health. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, essential for growth and overall well-being. Packed with high-quality protein and rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin A, eggs are crucial for bone development and more. Beyond height, they contribute to radiant skin and lustrous hair. Opt for boiled or poached eggs to reap the best benefits. Avoid fried and raw forms to steer clear of health risks. This humble root vegetable is a secret weapon for height growth. Turnips are rich in growth hormones and essential nutrients that can stimulate your growth receptors. Wondering how to incorporate turnips into your diet? They're fantastic roasted with a touch of seasoning or juice for a refreshing, nutritious drink. A glass of milk is like a fortifying elixir for your bones. Loaded with calcium, vitamin D, and proteins, milk is fundamental in developing strong, healthy bones and tissues. Regular consumption can significantly contribute to your vertical growth. Aim for 2 glasses a day. Your body will thank you with not just height gains, but improved overall health. Need a protein boost? Look no further than oatmeal. Consuming oatmeal regularly can elevate your growth potential while assisting in muscle building, weight management, and heart health. It's a versatile superfood that prepares your body to reach its fullest potential. Then on our list is beans. Beans are a powerhouse of proteins, fibers, minerals, and vitamins. They are excellent for stimulating growth hormones and supporting your quest to add a few inches to your height. Whether you prefer them in salads, stews, or as a side, beans are a must-add to your daily diet. Let's take a deeper dive into why these foods are so effective and explore additional nutritional strategies that can help you maximize your height potential. Remember, every little bit counts when it comes to reaching your peak height. Pushing your limits in the gym means nothing if recovery isn't part of your routine. That's where Bulmorix Pro steps in. Formulated specifically for those who don't let up on their fitness goals, this powerhouse supplement supports your joints, back, and muscles, helping to reduce discomfort and promote recovery after intense workouts. Make Bulmorix Pro your new workout partner and experience the difference it makes in your training and day-to-day mobility. Click the link in the description to learn more and take the first step towards optimized recovery. Before we go further, it's important to understand the relationship between nutrition and physical growth. Your body requires a variety of nutrients to produce growth hormones and build the tissues that make up your bones and muscles. By nourishing your body with the right foods, you can support these processes and potentially enhance your height. In addition to eggs, turnips, milk, oatmeal, and beans, there are other nutritional champions you should consider incorporating into your diet. Both yogurt and kefir are excellent sources of calcium, protein, and live probiotics. These nutrients are essential for bone health and digestive well-being, which in turn supports nutrient absorption, crucial for growth. Include a serving of yogurt or kefir in your breakfast or as a snack to ensure your body is getting what it needs to potentially boost your height. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are rich in vitamins and minerals, including iron, calcium, and magnesium, which are vital for growth hormone production and bone mineralization. Make salads or smoothies a part of your daily meals to get a concentrated dose of these height-friendly nutrients. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are not only packed with healthy fats but also contain proteins and magnesium, which aid in bone growth and overall health. They're great as a snack or added to salads and yogurt. Fish such as salmon and tuna are not only high in omega-3 fatty acids but also provide vitamin D, which is necessary for strong bone growth. Regular consumption of fish can contribute to overall health and help in achieving a taller stature. Vitamin C is pivotal in preventing infections and boosting the immune system, but it also plays a crucial role in collagen formation, which is essential for the health of bones and skin. Include oranges, lemons, and grapefruits in your diet to get a healthy dose of vitamin C. While nutrition plays a critical role in determining your height, certain lifestyle factors can also have an impact. Engaging in regular physical activity, especially sports that involve jumping and stretching like basketball and swimming, can help stimulate your growth hormones naturally. Make sure to include exercise in your daily routine to maximize your growth potential. Growth hormone production is at its highest during sleep, particularly during deep sleep. Ensuring that you get at least 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep every night is crucial for optimal growth. Maintaining a good posture and taking care of your spine are essential for your overall height. Activities like yoga and pilates can help strengthen your back muscles and improve your posture over time. Certain habits, such as consuming excessive caffeine and smoking, can inhibit your growth if started at a young age. It's important to steer clear of these to not only promote height, but also for overall health. By incorporating these foods and lifestyle practices into your routine, you not only enhance your potential to grow taller, but also improve your overall health and well-being. Remember, consistency is key in seeing results. Let's delve into alternative practices and the science behind them. Stick with us to discover more ways to reach your peak potential. While we've covered many foods that contribute to height growth, integrating them effectively into your diet can amplify their benefits. Let's explore some meal planning and dietary strategies to make the most out of these growth-boosting nutrients. A balanced diet is crucial for growth. Ensure each meal includes a source of protein, a portion of carbohydrates, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. For example, start your day with an oatmeal bowl topped with nuts and seeds, have a mid-morning yogurt, enjoy a lunch with turnip greens and grilled fish, and end with a dinner featuring beans and a side of leafy greens. Water plays a significant role in metabolizing nutrients necessary for growth. Make sure to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep your body well hydrated, which helps in the proper absorption and distribution of nutrients. While whole foods should be your primary source of nutrients, certain supplements can aid in filling dietary gaps that might hinder growth. Consult with a healthcare provider to consider supplements like vitamin D or calcium, especially if you're in regions with limited sunlight or have dietary restrictions. Beyond nutrition and exercise, certain traditional practices have been touted to influence height. Here's what modern science says about them. Ayurveda, an ancient Indian healing system, suggests certain herbs like ashwagandha that purportedly increase height. These herbs are said to boost growth hormone levels naturally. Scientific studies are limited, but some evidence suggests that ashwagandha can help in muscle strength and recovery, which might indirectly influence height when combined with proper nutrition and exercise. Traditional Chinese medicine uses acupuncture to improve bodily functions by restoring energy flow. While no direct evidence links acupuncture to increased height, it can improve digestive health, potentially enhancing nutrient absorption and overall vitality. Some believe that spinal alignment affects one's height. Chiropractic adjustments can correct postural issues, potentially restoring your natural stature if misalignments were compressing your spine. Height is influenced by physical factors, but psychological well-being can also play a role. Chronic stress can affect the body's ability to produce growth hormone. Engaging in mindfulness practices, yoga, and meditation can reduce stress and promote a healthier hormonal balance. Mental health practices, including visualization and positive affirmations, can create a psychological environment conducive to growth. Visualizing oneself in a taller, confident posture can be empowering and positively influence self-esteem and body image. Joining communities or groups focused on health and growth can provide motivational support and additional tips. Sharing experiences and challenges with others can inspire and keep you accountable on your growth journey. As we wrap up today's discussion, remember that while height can be influenced by many factors, the journey towards increasing your height is also an opportunity to embrace a healthier lifestyle. The integration of good nutrition, proper exercise, adequate sleep, and a supportive community can lead to improvements in your overall well-being. Did you find these holistic approaches helpful? Which ones will you try? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth discussions here at Health Haven. Together, let's strive for wellness and reach our fullest potential.